Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on Google Pixel 10. Okay, so let's begin. First I'll show you how you can transfer data from your old device into your Pixel, and as a second method I'll show you how to restore the backup from the Google one. So let's begin. Also, if you don't know how to create a backup using a Google one, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to do it step by step, so if you want you can look for it. Okay, as you can see we are doing the setup process, and we can also transfer data later when our phone is already set up, but I will show you that later. I'll show you how to transfer during the setup process first. So let's start. Let's select our language, and we already have the first thing that we are interested in, setup using another device. Already on our second device an option for the setup appeared. There's a chance that it won't appear automatically on your device, so you can also open up the camera app, then use the Google Lens to scan the QR code, this code, or if you don't have the Google Lens you can always use some third-party QR code scanning apps. Okay, so now let's scan this code. Okay, now we need to scan it. In my case, I also need to draw my lock screen to confirm. As you can see, that the Pixel is automatically connecting to the Wi-Fi, thanks to it. So now let's wait until it connects. Okay, it's still going. Okay, I also need to draw my pattern because I was just resetting the device, and that's why it wants it from me, but if you are setting the phone for the first time you won't have that, so don't worry. Okay, and now if you want you can set a pin for your device. I'll skip it because we can always do it later in the settings. Okay, copy apps and data. We need to click on next. Now let's wait a while. Okay, we need to wait a little, it might take a while, so we just need to be patient. Okay, now we can choose how we want to copy. We can select the Express or the Customize. You can see how long it's going to take when you select the Express. In my case, I want to select the Customize option, then click on Next. And now we can manually select the things that we want or don't want to backup. So we can copy, to copy, not to backup, my bad. We can copy apps, messages, call history, photos and videos, music and other audio, documents, and the device settings. In my case, I want everything except the apps. So once you have selected everything, click on copy. Now the process will start. Click on OK. In here we have the Google services. Now simply scroll down and click on accept. Now we have the backup services that are really useful, so I always keep them enabled. Click on turn on. Now we need to select the default browser and the search engine. In my case, I'll always use the Google Chrome and the Google as my search engine. In here, click on next. Click on next once again. Next again. Now we can enable the Hey Google sentence to launch the Gemini, which is the AI assistant. If you want, you can turn it on. I'll do it because why not? In here, scroll down and click on next. Now we can let contacts nearby us find and share with us. I'll turn it on, because why not? Of course, everything is up to you. In here, you can also set up another things, such as to get instant translations, change how text displays, and many other things. I'll just click on no thanks. I want to stay up to date though. Okay, we are nearly finished when it comes to the copying. Alright, copying is finished, we can see it on both devices. Click on done on your Pixel. We can click on close on our second device. And now, if you want, you can also change the system navigation settings. You can use the gesture navigation or the 3-button navigation. You just need to simply select which mode is more comfortable to you. Okay, now I need to swipe up to go home, and now our device is ready to use. Also, some of the things might still be installed from the Play Store. So simply don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet and wait until everything gets downloaded. Also, if you don't want to copy your things during the setup process, you can always do it when the phone is already set up. To do it, open up the settings, scroll down, find backup or copy data, and select copy data using Android switch. In here, simply click on start, and you will be able to copy data. Okay, so that was the first method, and now let me show you the second one, which, just like I have said before, will be how to restore the backup from the Google one. Okay, now let's begin with the second method. We are again doing the setup process. Now when we have option for setup using another device, we need to click on skip. Now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi manually. Okay, so now I'll connect, click on connect, okay, oh, something went wrong, give me a second. Okay, now it worked. Alright, getting your phone ready, this might take a few minutes. So we just need to wait a little. Okay, the process has finished. Now the phone is asking us for we are setting this phone. For myself, because that's the option where you can turn on the parental controls. Okay, and now the most important thing. Now we have a possibility to sign in into our Google account, and if we want to restore the backup from the Google one, we need to log in into the same Google account on which we created a backup before. It is really important. So now I will log in. Give me a second. First I'll type my mail. Then click on next. And now type the password. Then click on next. Click on agree. And now again you can set a PIN. I'll skip it because it's always available in the settings. Now click on next. And now we have option to restore the data from another device. So select the backup that you want to restore. I'll pick, for example, that one. Now I also need to confirm by drawing the screen lock that I had when I was creating that backup. There's a chance that you also might need to do it. Okay, and now I can manually select the things that I want to backup. In my case, I want everything from this list except the apps. Now click on restore once you have selected everything. Okay, now we have the Google services. Scroll down and click on accept. Now we have the backup services and features. I always keep them turned on because they are really useful. Now we need to select a default browser. I'll pick the Google Chrome as a default one and the Google as my search engine. Click on set as default. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. And now we have option to enable the Hey Google sentence, which will allow us to launch the Gemini. Thanks to that, I'll turn it on, because why not? It's not, of course, it's not necessary. Everything is up to you. Click on more and click on next. Click on more, and now you can agree to let contacts nearby find and share with us. It's completely up to you. You can read about it, how it works right in here. I'll agree to that. In here you can also set up those things if you want. I'll click on no thanks. I want to stay up to date. Okay, now let's wait a little. Okay, we are all set. Now we can also change the system navigation method. If you want, you can pick the buttons or the gestures. I'll stick to the gestures. Now swipe up to go home. And now we are ready to use our device. Also remember that some of the things might still be installed from the Play Store. You will see it in the notification bar if something is installing. In my case it is. So don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet and wait until everything gets downloaded. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.